We are trying to find the average revenue per unit sold of the products P and Q. And of course, the way you find average is you're going to sum up the revenue and you're going to divide by the number of units. That's what I'm trying to find. And X, I'm going to let X be the number of units of P. And last year, the manufacturer sold twice as many units of Q as P. So 2X will be number of units of Q. Now the revenue for P is 20. So 20 times the number of units plus 17 for Q, that's 17 times 2X. So that's 20X plus 34X, otherwise known as 54X. So revenue, sum of the revenue is 54X, and how many units do I have? Well, I have X plus 2X, which is 54X over 3X, and the X's cancel. 3 will go into 5 one time, that leaves you 24. It's going to be 18 for the answer.